Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your forgotten password for EveryDollar account. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in EveryDollar.com. Get to the sign-in page for EveryDollar. Type in EveryDollar.com in the URL box, and once you get to the main home page of EveryDollar, tap on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. In the Sign In page, it'll prompt you to enter your email and password. If you remember your credentials, type it down in the following text boxes and click on Sign In. If you don't remember your password during the process, click the Forgot Password link. Now type in your email address associated with your EveryDollar account and click on Send Password Reset Email. Open up a new tab and then log into your email service provider's inbox. Open up the email from Ramsey Solutions where it says Forgot Your Password and click on Change My Password. In the Enter a Password page, enter the new password you are trying to create for your account. Now enter the new password once again in the last field. And finally click on Set Password in order to reset your password to a new one. Once you complete through the password reset process, every time you sign into your account, make sure to type in the newly updated password and click Sign In to access your account again. That's how you can easily reset your forgotten password for EveryDollar. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.